Moves to unseat Senate President Tito Soto are surfacing after Soto himself confirmed that the Senate presidency was allegedly offered to Senator Loren Legarda. More details in this report.
Totoo ba na tinanggil yung Senate presidency kay Senator Loren? You have that information?
I heard that. I was told.
You were told by Sen. Loren?
Yes.
Talaga?
Senate President Tito Soto himself confirmed that there were moves to unseat him from his post. Soto said the Senate presidency was allegedly offered to Senator Loren Legarda. The Senate president said he and Senator Legarda spoke just the other day. However, Soto declined to go into detail about the information he received.
Well, what exactly happened, SP?
Actually, I'd rather not dwell into it already. Ayoko lang papag-usapan yung mga... Kasi they were merely talks.
Pero inalok yung Senate presidency kay Sen. Loren. That's what
I was told.
sinabi ba ni Sen. Loren kung anong naging response po niya?
Pinakamaganda, sinabi niya hindi siya interesado.
Despite this, Soto said support for his leadership within the majority bloc remains solid.
Hindi delikadong lumipat ng bakod si Sen. Loren kasi solid ba siya sa inyo?
Oo.
Inassure
Oo naman, ang buong majority namin very solid. As a matter of fact, mga dalawa sa mga hindi namin kasama dati, baka mapasama ko yun.
Soto also said they have long been in talks with some members of the minority who may be willing to move to the majority bloc, but he declined to name them. Senate President Pro Tempore Ping Lacson called malicious and sadistic the narrative being circulated that Legarda supposedly volunteered to recruit supporters in order to become Senate President herself. Senator Legarda gave a measured response on the issue.
May kumakausap daw sa inyo, ma'am?
Ang daming kumakausap sa akin araw-araw.
Apo.
Lahat naman kinakausap ko. Teka.
Thank you, ma'am.
Pag-iisipan ko yung tinanong ko kasi nabasa ko yung news.
But who offered the Senate presidency to Legarda then?
From minority bloc. From minority?
Earlier this week, Senate Minority Leader Alan Peter Cayetano said discussions among minority bloc members have been ongoing, particularly on Senate issues and the direction it is taking. However, Cayetano said they do not have the number to oust Soto. Minority Senator Robin Padilla, for his part, said he does not see any reason at the moment to change Senate leadership.
May usap ba ng pagpapalit ng leadership? May gusto kayong ibang Senate President?
Mas marami akong iniisip na iba. Hindi ako... Neophyte lang ako. Ano naman ang alam ko dyan sa ganyan?
You see the need to change leadership?
Okay naman ako. Wala naman akong masasabi sa ngayon sapagkat ako'y busy. Sa totoo lang. Oo. Pero syempre, yung mga usap-usapan na ganyan, hindi naman nawawala yan. Andyan na yan eh.
But Padilla said it will be a different conversation if an impeachment case against VP Sara Duterte reaches the Senate.
Ay syempre,
Bakit po?
hindi naman siguro kailasan man sa inyo. Ayaw ko ng impeachment. Hindi ba obvious? Eh, syempre, kailangan...
For the minority.
Sana, inshallah, God willing. Pro-bayan.
But supportive of VP Sara?
Of course.
Yun yung gusto niyo maging SP. Just to be clear po
Wala na tayong plastikan.